Welcome today. We are simplifying one of the most common and practical design pattern in C#, the Singleton pattern. Let's make it clear, quick, and actionable. What is the Singleton pattern? The Singleton pattern ensures a class has only one instance throughout the application and provides global access point to it. Think of it like having one president in your app. Just one, no duplicates. It's perfect for scenarios like login, managing configuration settings, or coordinating shared resources. Here is the code for Select Singleton class. First, we mark the class as Select. This means no other class can inherit from it, which looks down the Singleton behavior and keep it clean. This is where the magic happens. Instance is a static, read-only field that holds the single instance of our class. It's initialized right when the class is loaded, which is called eager initialization. The cool part is thread safe because .NET takes care of that for us with static field. Next up, the constructor is private. Why? To make sure no one outside the class can create new instance. If you try to do something like new singleton, you will get an error. This guarantees that our instance stay controlled. Here is how we access our singleton. The instance property is public and gives us the same instance every time. It's read only, so no one can mess with it. And finally, we can add methods to this singleton class, like showMessage. This is where you can put the functionality you need. When you run this code, you will notice the singleton instance is created only once. No matter how many times you access it, both first call and second call point to the same object, ensuring no duplicates and efficient resource management. And that's the Singleton pattern. It's straightforward yet powerful solution for managing shared resources and ensuring consistency in your application. If you find this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what do you like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy coding.